Hello, my name is Nick Holm, the Director of Operations here at Advanced Design Studios. I'm here to talk to you today about the value of communication. Communication between field management, designers, and clients is important to having a successful project. During design, it's important that you speak with your designer about your needs and wants on your project. During your project, it is best to speak with your construction manager about any questions or concerns you may have. Every renovation project is bound to hit a hitch somewhere along the process. Our field crews are also an integral part of our solution and can work with you to answer some of your most common questions. Our management team, along with our designers, come up with quick, effective solutions to help resolve any issues that may arise throughout your project. Advanced Design utilizes Buildertrend for job site communication. Buildertrend will be your communication hub throughout your project. It is accessible from any device, including cell phones, laptops, desktop computers, or any other handheld device you may have. You can use this to access your team and message them 24/7, also allowing access to photos, documents, or any other important information you may need. This program allows access to important information with anyone involved in your project. Buildertrend is an excellent resource adapted by Advanced Design Studio to ensure a successful project for you. Throughout your project, we ask for feedback, perhaps after design or prior to construction, in the middle of your project, or after your project has been completed. This is important. It allows us to address any concerns quickly and allows our team to improve over time. Our designers, along with our construction managers, work together to ensure that your project falls on budget, on schedule, all while maintaining quality craftsmanship along the way. Communication is just one key element of our process that allows Advanced Design Studio to fill homeowner needs.